Trash. Hello everyone. Ew, what was that? Welcome back to my strawberry. It's not strawberry season. Why did I just... The Trisha Paytas in me came through. From now on, I'm just gonna moan at the end of my sentence. So everyone, I know it hasn't been long, but we're back with another TikTok food trends. I just can't help it. I find so many things on TikTok I want to try. It's just... There's so much. Especially now that I got a glimpse of food TikTok, I just can't. I want to stay here. I feel comfortable here. I love it here. I mean, actually, I kind of want to get to Draco Talk too, but I'm not there yet. So if you know how to get onto Draco Talk, let me know. Yes, I don't have any more to say. Let's just get going. So the first TikTok food trend we're going to dive into is actually the nature cereal. It's basically a cereal bowl just with fruit, some crunchy in there, some ice cubes, and some coconut water. It may just sound like a bowl of fruit to you,
and that's exactly what it is.
So I know it's basically just fruits with coconut water, but I'm quite curious about this combination, you know, just like some fruits and like actually eat it like cereal with the coconut water and some ice cubes. I feel like it's gonna give you a little bit of a different sensation than just eating the fruit normally, you know? And I mean, TikTok is like in love with this, so there is like a hype. I need to invest. I need to find out about the flavor of the natural cereal. And even Trisha Paytas just uploaded a TikTok about it, so... Why am I mentioning Trisha Paytas so much in this video?
Oh, Kinder, geht's denn eigentlich noch? Was ist denn bei euch los? Hör mal, also jetzt aber.
Alexa! What the fuck?
Kindle wird auf diesem Gerät nicht unterstützt.
Das ist so Nikocado Avocado. I don't even watch him. I don't know why I know that. Hey Cameron, how you doing? Alright everyone, we have all of our nature ingredients. Yeah, we have strawberries, you know that. We have some cucumber, we have some pomegranate, and some coconut. I thought it would also be really cute to put some... What the fuck? Let's mix it all together. I only have this very small bowl. Can you even call this a bowl if it's shaped like a square? This is probably the easiest thing we're gonna make today. I gotta admit, I normally don't eat a lot of fruit in my daily lifestyle, but I just don't like healthy food for some reason. So that's a great opportunity to eat some fruit. Let's add some raspberries and some blueberries and some of the pomegranate seeds and the coconut and the coconut water. Yeah, get it, bestie. Oh, I forgot the korok seeds. What? I added the korok seeds. Actually, it looks fucking great. What the fuck? Have you ever seen such a beautiful ice cube? Wow. This is the finished result. Look at me being healthy as fuck. Bon appetit! It looks better than it tastes. I was kind of excited because Trisha Paytas said in her video it tastes like ice cream. I mean, it's not strawberry season, so it's kind of growing on me. Maybe if I eat it with an ice cube. It was really cold. I really think this would be great if you're like on vacation, Bahamas. Why did I say that? The sun is shining, you're at the beach, and you have like the freshest, most delicious fruit, like with this shitty ass fruit from Germany. Strawberries not in season. I think this is a little sad, just a little bit. Well, I'm just gonna finish this. Be right back. So that was very interesting, aka a little disappointing, but I didn't expect much. So we got that out of the way. We did it. The next trend we're gonna be tackling, it is making vegan chicken just out of flour and water. Two ingredients. We do have a little bit of spices and we do have like some chicken broth. I mean, But the main ingredients are just these two, flour and water. And I actually saw this like a couple of weeks ago when I was just trying to look up the recipe for the chicken karaage, like the vegan one, which I made in my other video. And I found this and I was like, damn, that looks pretty good and pretty meaty, pretty chickeny. It is quite a little bit of work to make it, but I really want to try it out because this just looks amazing and mind-blowing to me. Like the things you can do with gluten is just... So it is time to move over into the kitchen and get bacon. Get baked. Just kidding. Just kidding. Or am I? Okay, let's go. Hello, welcome to my kitchen, everyone. You've probably never been here before. Actually, you've been a lot of times. Let's make some vegan chicken. Here are our main ingredients. And water. I don't really have the measurements for this. I mean, the TikTok didn't really tell you about the measurements, but I think it's just a lot of flour and as much water as you need until it forms a dough. I'm going to some of that. Am I twinning with this sponge? Are we twinning? What? Okay, one of us has to change outfits. It was him. I'm gonna have to put some gloves on because I have my finger tattoos, which are like super fresh. As I have to knead this dough, it's gonna be, you know, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just have to do this. Oh my God, it feels like I'm about to dye my hair. I don't know how much water to add. Let's just add a little bit. I have absolutely no experience with kneading dough or dough in general. As I never bake, I hate baking. Ooh, it actually feels kind of fun. I like that. We're just gonna form it to a ball. Oh! I'm lonely. And now it has to rest for 1 hour. So let me just quickly get 1 hour Naomi and I'll be right back. Oh. 1 hour Naomi, can you come please? Don't worry, I'm coming. I'm right here. That probably didn't work, did it? Okay, we're back. Let's look at her. Can we get her off? Now we're gonna knead this bitch, but underwater. Ooh, I've never done this before. This is fun. Ooh, I like the sound. I'm not sure about this. Maybe I was kneading it for too long underwater because this isn't really dough anymore. What the fuck is this? I just created slime and it's not even the satisfying kind of slime. Well, let's try that again, am I right? I just made a new one and I already rested it for 1 hour. I used a bit less water than my first try. Maybe that was my mistake. I don't know. I really don't know. I even watched the video by Emmy on how she did this and she didn't really say anything. It just worked for her. Also, this thing made like such a huge mess. It's this whole kitchen. I don't even want to be in it anymore. Maybe I'm just not good at kneading. Maybe it's our water. I'm just gonna knead until I die. I don't want to be like cocky or anything, but I think it's working this time. And you're supposed to knead it underwater until the water is like kind of clearish. I don't think it's getting any clearer, to be honest. Okay, so here's my dough. I'm still a little worried about it. I mean, it's not as bad as it was in the first try, but it's still like very weird. It's like very slimy. But I'm still just gonna go with it now. And I'm gonna just add the seasonings. Then let it rest for 1 hour. If it's gonna be shitty, then it's gonna be shitty. Okay, so we're just gonna add a lot of paprika powder, a lot of salt, some garlic powder, some Italian herbs. Oh no, it's getting sticky. Oh no, it's getting sticky. I'm scared. I'm just gonna leave it there. I love how well I mixed that part of the paprika powder. All right, everyone, it's been 1 hour. Let's look at our dough. That does not look good at all. Look at the... So now supposedly you're just supposed to twist and not chili. I can't really twist not anything. Let's do that. Perfect. I burned it. I made some vegetable stock and I'm just gonna add that and then it shall simmer. We're going to let it simmer now. Guys, it's 45 minutes later. This is our meatball. I think it's ready, but are we ready though? I mean, I didn't even think this would cook. It looks a bit dry though. Oh my god, look here. Why are you laughing? It's not bad, it just tastes a lot like veggie broth. Try it! It's not bad, it's just not good. I feel like you could eat this as bread.
What is this texture? Meat! Stop!
You can't tell me that this doesn't look like meat. The taste, we don't care about the taste, but the... Yeah, I think I'm gonna eat the rest tomorrow. It's 12 a.m. in the morning! I can't eat all of that right now.
11.
Don't do that, it's not worth it. Back to Naomi in my room. So the next thing we're gonna try is also a very lazy thing. It doesn't need... Every time I have to sneeze, I'm doing this ugliest face. I mean, everyone does. And then I'm putting too much pressure on myself because if I wouldn't sneeze in the end, if the sneeze would be gone and I would still make this ugly face, then it would be kind of embarrassing because I literally just did this without like any resolution to it. And then I think about it so much that I actually lose the sneeze while thinking about it so much, and then the worst case scenario happens. I'm overthinking my sneezes. So our next trend involves
Super dick months.
I don't even know what you call these in English. This is like chocolate marshmallows, but what I do know is they're
Prall und schokoladig.
which means they're thick and chocolatey. I saw a TikTok of someone putting this into the microwave and then it kind of rises and just doubles in size and breaks apart and gets like really, really thick. This is supposed to taste really good afterwards. Way better than if you would just eat it normally. Let's make ourselves some nice dessert. I don't know for how long this is supposed to be in there. Is it already? Wait, what the fuck is already happening? And it's only 5 seconds. What the fuck? Is it already done? Oh my god, stop. So this is her now. Okay, let's try her. That's bomb. That's so good. I just inhaled this. I really do love my...
Super dick months.
I mean, the taste is like obviously the same, but as it was melted and the chocolate was suddenly like really soft. Now that I'm thinking about it, I actually think I have some kind of childhood memory of my father putting these into the microwave, but only like the small ones. And I think this childhood memory is somewhere in my brain. Our next trend is this TikTok ramen. It's also not like mind-blowing, but it is quite a nice dish. I've never made this before. It's also like a cute elevation of your instant ramen if you wanna, you know, have a little bit of a fanciness in there, fancinization. So we're gonna make this TikTok instant ramen trend. So I have this instant ramen I found at my local supermarket. What? So let me just quickly boil these noodles. Yay! But we're gonna set these aside and make our sauce.
Just sauce.
I added the butter. Now we're gonna add some of that garlic. Don't worry, I'm not gonna touch the pan. I'm just really careful. Also add your soy sauce. Wait, it's exploding. Calm down. Oh my god. Now we need some brown sugar. Like so, like that. Oh, time for some red chili flakes. And now it's time for the egg. I'm really bad at cracking the egg with one hand, but I can try. I've never done this before. Ah. Oh no. Oh my god. There's so much eggshell in there. Well, I didn't really have the time to spread my eggs because I had to fish the eggshell out of there. Now it's basically noodles with scrambled eggs. And now for the finishing touch of the ramen, we're gonna add the everything but the bagel seasoning. And there we have it. It looks amazing. It looks a little dry, to be honest. You know what I mean? So it is a bit dry. I don't know how I could have prevented that. Maybe a little bit more soy sauce. Like there's some stuff we can still improve, which is the moisture of these noodles. But the taste is actually really nice. I just really like the soft sweetness in there. It just really, I like it. It's really nice. I think this is really great if you have instant ramen at home and you're just like, I actually don't really want to eat it. So you can just like pip it up. For my last trend for today, I picked the potato trend. So we have a huge ass pomme de terre. I'm gonna cut a little rectangle of potato. Cut it. Yeah. And then we're gonna cut it diagonally. Sorry, but just look at this. How cool does this look? Have you ever done this to a potato? I don't think you did. I just really want to do that to a potato. Obviously, it's gonna taste amazing because we're gonna fry this and then it's gonna be probably like fries, I guess. So here's my potato. The only problem is it's not that big. The people in the TikTok used a very big potato, but I literally couldn't find a bigger potato than this. So basically gonna cut a little rectangle. Mine's so uneven. Now we're gonna take a little huge toothpicks. This is not a rectangle, honey. This is so intense. Now we're gonna twist it around and we're gonna do the same, just diagonally. Okay, should we just see if it worked? Why is it so stiff? Come on, loosen up a little, bro. Don't be shy. Okay, I just cut a second one. Are we ready for the moment of truth? Oh my god, look. One more. Okay, are you ready for the thinnest piece I've done yet? Huh? Oh, I didn't turn it around. No, it just made like this zigzag.
Oh hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
I'm just so dumb. Look how small this one is. Why did I start with the biggest one? Come on, loosen up. Maybe it's because his potato is like gigantinormous. I made so many of these now and I broke so many of these too. I think the last two ones were my best ones. I don't know, man. Oh man, you little fucking potato ass. Okay, everyone, I'm done. This is just sad. Wow. I'm gonna consider this TikTok potato food trend a failure. You want some fries? Enjoy your fry.
That's pretty good.
Yay, I made great fries. They're really delicious. I think this is definitely my best one. I mean, it's kind of like in the video. Alright everyone, that was definitely another very eventful, very exciting TikTok food trend kind of day. This vegan dough chicken hack trend really sucked the life out of me. And it really ruined all of my clothes. I mean, that's my fault, but like, was it worth it? The cats are fighting again. Oh, I gotta go get the sticker off of my face. It's really itchy. Ich-ni-san, arigato. You can always let me know if you got more trends, hacks for me to try out on TikTok or wherever you find it. I love to try them, as you can see. Who are you watching? Yeah, my favorite one was definitely the one with the chocolate marshmallow. I loved it because it also didn't take me a lot of time. That is it for this video. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which is Naomijon on
Instagram,
Naomijon on
TikTok,
and the Naomijon on
Twitter. Oh yeah.
And also don't forget to turn post notifications on because that's what we do, right? I really need to go to bed. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh. Good night.
Super Dick Months.